right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Journey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Come see the car for yourself.